I thought this would be a pretty close test. After all, a good stick vacuum has plenty of suction. But after seeing what these two pulled out of the exact same sofa, I'm not sure I'll ever clean upholstery the same way again. If you're interested in any of the products I test, you'll find affiliate links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe. I test everything from robot vacuums and mattress vacuums to kitchen gadgets and washable rugs, so you can see what actually works before you buy. My little dog has been shedding like crazy since summer started, and these blue slipcovers basically became dog hair magnets. So today I'm answering a simple question. Do mattress vacuums actually clean upholstery better than a regular vacuum? To find out, I gave each vacuum one cushion and exactly 1 minute. Same sofa, same amount of hair, same amount of time. Let's see what happened. For the regular vacuum, I chose the upholstery attachment without the brush. This gave me the tightest possible contact with the cushion and should allow for maximum suction. I worked slowly and carefully so I could cover the entire cushion within the 1 minute time limit. After 1 minute, the cushion definitely looked better. It picked up a decent amount of hair, but there was still quite a bit left behind. At first glance, though, it wasn't a bad result. Now let's bring in the Feppo. One thing that's immediately noticeable is the size of the cleaning head. It covers a lot more surface area than the attachment on the stick vacuum, which makes it easy to clean larger cushions and mattresses effectively. But it also does more than just vacuum. As it works, it vibrates the cushion and blows warm air into the fabric. The idea is to loosen dust, dirt, hair, and other particles that have settled deeper into the upholstery and bring them toward the surface where they can be removed. It also includes a UV light that automatically activates when the vacuum is flat against the surface. And honestly, even before looking in the dustbin, the results were pretty obvious. There was a visible difference between the two cushions. The Feppo simply left behind less hair. But appearances can be deceiving, so let's look inside the dustbins. I emptied both vacuums before the test, so they started on completely equal footing. Here's what the stick vacuum collected. You can see some dog hair, some dust, a reasonable amount of debris. But now take a look at the Feppo. It pulled up at least twice as much dust and dirt, and probably 3 or 4 times as much pet hair. That's a much bigger difference than I expected going into this test, and all from a single couch cushion. At that point, I decided to go back over the area the stick vacuum had already cleaned. And sure enough, the Feppo kept pulling up more hair that the regular vacuum had left behind. So I finished the entire sofa with it. And this is everything it collected by the end. Massive amounts of dust, massive amounts of pet hair, and honestly, a little more than I wanted to know was hiding in my furniture. So, do mattress vacuums actually work? Based on this test, absolutely. The stick vacuum improved the cushion, but the Feppo removed significantly more hair, dust, and debris in the same amount of time. If your goal is simply vacuuming the floor, a regular vacuum is fine, but for mattresses, couches, pet hair, and deep upholstery cleaning, this wasn't even close. If you want to check out the Feppo, the affiliate links are below, and subscribe because I've got more mattress vacuum comparisons, cleaning tests, and home product reviews coming soon.